There's my first favourite breakfast. Squeeze and split your shredded wheat. That's it. Now let's break it. The spoon. Bit of that. Small pinch. Cranberries. Which we just chop a little bit finer. Be very careful. Be very careful chopping things like this. You've got to press real hard because you'll go straight through the skin. Now, also like is dusting of cereal. Like to pick out the raisins so I can eat them quickly and efficiently, and then it gets stuck in my teeth when you find them randomly. Swiss style muesli. And last but not least, twinkle pecan maple syrup. One of my favourites. And then a little scattering of, pick out the worst, blueberries. Get a whole punnet like this for £1. Across the road. A whole £1 for a whole punnet. Seriously, I got half of them in the freezer for some reason. It was a softie. There's one. It's definitely starting to go. That'll be fine. That's about half of them. And lastly, the good old bit of milk. I like to put the seal inside the lid. Nice old shake of that. That's usually about enough. If I'm feeling really lavish, I'll put some Greek yogurt on there as well. But that's my favourite cereal at the moment. Shredded wheat, muesli, cranberries, honey. Oat crunch, blueberries. Enjoy!